What really makes our doors better, faster and stronger? One of the things that makes Strongdor different is that all of our door leaves are of welded construction for the highest strength possible, as opposed to riveting or bonding. All our doors come with expandable sides as standard. To create the strongest leaf possible, we use a Dutch fold to interlock the leaf skins together. This differs to other methods such as riveting, which may pop out over time. We currently offer over 150 colours as standard. This is by far the largest in the industry. Let Strongdor be your competitive advantage.